Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Circle Wars. So Circle Wars is a game where you're a blue circle and you move around the screen using the mouse to collect the pale green circles. But you have to avoid the red ones that march towards you like a zombie army. So let's get started. First, we're going to need our sprites. So I'm just going to go inside this costume and delete everything, and then we're just gonna make a blue color, and this is gonna be our player. Now I want it to be a little pixelated, so I'm gonna convert it to bitmap, select it and make it a little smaller, just like that. When I zoom in, we have a little circle. Now that we have our blue circle, we are going to make the green one. So since we already have the blue circle and it's perfect, then we're just gonna duplicate this. Uh-oh, I just deleted it. No problem. Alright, I accidentally just deleted it, so I'm gonna make that. Okay, now we're just gonna drag it. Okay, we have our sprite. We're gonna make it pixelated. Now, okay, like that. Now, instead of deleting it this time, we're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna change the color to a red. Now, we're gonna make this a darker color of red. Okay. Now we're gonna make the green. Oops. Oh my god, I keep deleting everything. Let me just recolor that. Now we're gonna make the green. The green is the friend circle that you collect. Perfect. And we're just gonna add the green color. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to go to variables and we're gonna make a variable called score. Now, when you're done, you're going to put when green flag clicked, set score to 0, and then you're gonna go forever go to mouse pointer. Okay, now that we're done with this, we have our movement. Now, we're going to do this in the green friend code. Put when green flag clicked, forever, point in direction, and then we're going to go to operators, and we're going to pick random, minus 180, and the other one's going to be 180. Then you're going to go to control, and you're going to put repeat 25 times, and then move to 10 steps. And we're also going to put if on edge bounce. Now we have our movement and our friend move. Now we're gonna make a friendly clone army. So right under the repeat code, we're going to put a create clone of myself. Run the project, and each time he bounces off, there's a new friend for you to collect. Now, with the new clones are controlled by when I start as a clone. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make it look better. First, we're gonna put when I start as a clone, repeat 300, and set ghost to 50. And make sure it's not inside of the repeat 300. Now we're gonna put point towards player. Let's name these really quick so we don't get confused. Okay, there. Now let's continue on our code. Now we're gonna put move one step. Move one step. One step. And we're also gonna change the color to ghost. The ghost. Okay. Now when it bounces off, you have a little ghost friend, and does that not look cool? Now we're going to put move one step and delete this clone at the end. Now that we're done, the point of the repeat 300s is that so the clones delete after they walk 300 steps. Now for the last part in this video, we're doing destroying clones. So we're gonna put when I start as a clone. Then we're going to put set ghost to 50, of course. I'll just duplicate this right here. Okay, set ghost, change ghost effect by 50. Oh, don't put change, put set. Because remember, one little problem could stop your whole game. So we're going to put set ghost effect to 50. Then repeat 300. So basically just duplicate this code. Okay, so I made a little error here. I put change ghost effect on the repeat 300 instead of set ghost effect. So we're just going to change that around. So we're just going to duplicate that. Then we're going to add one code in here, like a few blocks of code. if then, touching player, then we're gonna put change score by 1 and start sound pop. Then we are going to start sound pop. And for fun, I'm gonna add a little effects using the Gandhi quake. It's gonna be fun. Okay, I think I'll add, here's glitch. I like quake. Where is quake? Not quake, I'm gonna put shake in here, so when it plays, like touches it, it also does shake. It's just a little fun, simple special effects. Then we're gonna duplicate this delete clone block right here, and we're gonna put it inside. Now when we're done, there's clones, and when you collect them, pop. And you get more clones. That's all for this part of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.